Hello guys, what is up? Lovely Tutorials here, and welcome back to this awesome series here, Road to Pro Unity and C# tutorial. And in this video, we're gonna go ahead and review variables and what variables are. So variables, they can kind of like store something in them. So, uh, if you know if you don't know what I mean or you've never programmed, then they're one of the easiest things that come on. But anyways, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and just give this explanation. So let's say your human body was a computer program, or you yourself were a computer program. Now you would have a variable, just so you can kind of understand what variables are. So your body would have a variable called age, and let's say you were 26 years old. Age would be equal to 26. Let's say your height was 1.6 meters. Well, height is equal to 1.6. You know, those were kind of like variables. They kind of represent something. So, again, not again. I haven't said this yet. There are different types of variable types. There are string, which is basically anything in text. So, that's right there. So when we do console dot write line or write, I don't care. That's a string. I just didn't want to call it a string before, but yeah, that is what you call string. Now, a whole number from basic math, if you would know, an integer, it would just be 5, -1. All of those are integers. And a float is decimal, something with decimal point. So basically, let's go ahead and declare a variable called myname and set it a value of Kenny. So there we go. So again, if we want to make a new variable, we would first type in the type, the name of the variable, and then we don't have to assign a value to it, but if we want to, then we can go ahead and assign a value. So again, the type, so this is going to be of type string, and then like I said, the name of the variable, so I'm going to go ahead and call it my name, and then semicolon, because remember, after each statement there goes a semicolon. But now let's say we want to so if we wanted to assign a value right here. Also, by the way, you see this weird underlining there, that just means that we declared it but we never used it in the program. It's like if we have it there but we never used it with anything because we haven't done anything with it. So anyways, if we wanted to assign a value right after the name, we would go ahead and do space equals, and then since it's a string, we can't set it equal to 5 because 5 is an integer. See, cannot convert type int to string because we're assigning it an int. We're assigning it an integer, but it's of type string. Only way we would do this is making that in quotations. But then again, if we wanted to do my name plus 5, it wouldn't do 5 plus 5. It would just give you an error because it's a string. So we can set this equal to Kenny. And of course, no, it's two lines. Alright, so console dot write line. So instead of having to write line Kenny, as you can see here, we can go ahead and console dot write line my name. And as you can see here, you're like, wait, didn't we have to put string values in quotations? Well, no, that's only if it's not a variable or something like that. If it's a variable, then you just give the variable name. But if it's just printing out something there, just a simple sentence there, that's not a variable, then yeah, you do have to put it in quotations. So anyways, guys, so right here, you just declaration. Well, I didn't mean that. Sorry. Alright, so right here you're just declaring it. Declaring the variable. Right here you're just printing out Kenny, the word or name Kenny. And then you're printing out right here the variable my name. So what it does is, so print out Kenny, or print out my name. And it goes to the address, not address, I shouldn't say address. It goes to the variable my name, and then it asks it, alright, my name, what's your value? And it says, oh, my value is equal to Kenny, so it's going to go ahead and print out Kenny. So when we run this, we got a read key because after it's done, it says, okay, I'm done, let me go ahead and close it, which is why I explained why it does that. So, okay, so when we press start, oh, by the way, you only have to do read key in Windows, you don't have to do that in Mac. But anyways, Kenny, perfect. Again, it says we want it to print my name, and then it goes to my name, it says, okay, what's your value? Oh, my value is Kenny, so it takes Kenny and it prints it there. Perfect. Now let's say we wanted to print two things. Again, like we did in our last video, just separated by the plus sign. So let's go ahead and do, so my name is my name. As you can see here, it's going to go ahead and print out my name is Kenny. Well guys, that's it for this tutorial video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and anyways, yeah, see you guys next time, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.